This is my review of the Bissell Powerbrush Pet Carpet Cleaner Series 2910. I bought this with my own money. We're going to see how dirty is this rug. Alright, step one's obviously going to be to vacuum really well. I went over this 3 or 4 times. I was going a lot slower than this. It's sped up. And then after you're done vacuuming, you're going to want to pre-treat any stains if you have any. Here's the before shot. I didn't have any obvious stains. Alright, on to the unboxing. Very quick to get it set up, just a few minutes. There's all your warranty instructions, all of that. And there's really not much to this. The whole thing is just a few pieces. You've got your 2 handles there. Make sure your helper's there. The reason why you need a carpet cleaner in the first place. Okay, there's the bottom. The dirty water tank's pre-installed. There's the 2 cleaners that came with it. The clean water tank. Like I said, the handles, the first one just clicks in, the second one also just clicks in. Very quick, simple. The clean water tank has some little grooves. You want to make sure those are in there good. Get your clean water tank, fill it up with hot tap water to line 1. Then your cleaning solution to line 2. That may be a little too much for some people. Less is more sometimes. Your mileage may vary. I'm just using the Bissell solution that came with it. Put the lid on. Here is pass 1. You press down the pedal and you're off to the races. The on button is on the back. I am going really slow. This clip is sped up. They all are. It took me about 15 minutes per pass to do 1/2 of this 7x9 rug. I'm doing half for all of the clips so you can see. You can already kind of start to see in this one on the first pass that the other side is brighter where I've been. That's it for round 1. Each tank was 1 pass. This is disgusting. Yes, apparently we've been living with this. I dumped it in the toilet because I don't want to clog my drain. A quick shot of after the first pass. Here we go, round 2. Water only, so we can be rinsing on this pass. And at the end of this pass, I also go over without pressing the squirty button so that we can make sure that we're sucking up plenty of water, because I don't want my carpet getting too wet. I do have laminate under here. This water looks still very nasty. Okay, so this is 3rd pass, 2nd of water only. And I did this so that you could see as I'm going along, you can see soapy bubbles in the thing. And that is because there is still that much soap in the carpet. If you don't keep going, you will leave that in your carpet and it will just attract more dirt later. So I suggest that you just keep going. All right, here we are after. Looking better. But the water still looks nasty, although it's getting lighter. There's after the 4th, a little lighter. After the 5th. And yes, this says 7th. I eventually went 8 and then I stopped because I don't want my carpet to be too wet. After the 8th and final pass, it is looking so much better. You can really tell in this picture. I intend to do this a lot more often now that I have this machine. And this is after I did the whole rug. Okay, here I'm just cleaning it up real quick, drying everything with a microfiber. Take off the dirty water tank. Wipe all this top part off. When you're cleaning, you want to check that red part. It's a filter. Pull that off. It comes off really easy. Some other models do not come off that easily or come off at all. That's why I picked this one over the Hoover Power Dash. Also, this part. On this one, you have complete access to the whole entire brush all the way around. You can get all that funky stuff out of there so that your machine doesn't stink. And on the Hoover Power Dash, you had to take it apart and like use a screwdriver, take it apart. And then people had trouble when they put it back together that it didn't operate properly and stuff. So I wanted to avoid all that. It was a major factor in me buying this one instead of the Hoover Power Dash. I'm just cleaning it up so it don't smell and get funky in my closet. And it really only took just a couple of minutes and we were done. All right, here's the rest of the cleanup. This is the second reason why I bought this model. You can unscrew all of this, take it completely out, wash it out properly, dry it out well before you store it so it doesn't get nasty. Super easy. Overall, I'm extremely happy that I bought this model. It does really well for the couple of area rugs that I have. It is definitely a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next project.